Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel on this Saturday, March 9th, 2024. We got an Operation Weather Change we're doing right now. We have a winter storm warning in effect for southern Erie and Crawford counties until 4 o'clock Monday morning. They're saying what? Heavy snow expecting. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches with wind gusts as high as 40 miles per hour. Impacts travel could be very difficult. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The highest snow totals around the higher train of Erie and southern Erie and northern Crawford counties. Wind chills will fall into the teens tomorrow, all day tomorrow. Precautionary / preparedness actions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water just in your vehicle, just in case of emergency. Again, this is a winter storm warning in effect for Erie and Crawford counties, or southern Erie it is, and Crawford counties until 4 o'clock Monday morning on this Saturday, or Monday morning it is, all on this Saturday, March 9th, 2024, from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Here's the forecast for Titusville today, but before we do, remember subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, Jeffrey's regular channel page and Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. So we just got one subscriber going up on the Train Expert channel yesterday. We got 244 subscribers on here, and we got almost 3,700 videos of trains and trainless videos on the regular camcorders and live streams to enjoy. All trains galore at Jeffrey the Train Expert. Check it out. Here's the forecast for today. Also, by the way, subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page. We still got 46 subscribers on here, and we got almost 600 videos on YouTube to enjoy. All galore at Jeffrey's regular channel page. Check it out. Here's the forecast for Titusville today. We're just going to read today, tonight, tomorrow, and Monday. Today, tomorrow, and Monday is all we're doing today. So here's the forecast for today. We're just going to read, again, as I said, we're going to read today, tonight, today, tomorrow, and Monday since it's ending, since the winter storm warning's ending that day. So here's the forecast for today. They're saying cloudy with a few showers, high 46, winds south-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, chance of rain 80%. Tonight, rain showers early with mixing with and changing over to a steadier snow overnight. Low 29. Winds west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. For Sunday, cloudy with snow. High 33. Temperatures nearly steady into the low to the mid-30s. Winds north-northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 80%. 3 to 5 inches of snow expecting. Higher wind gusts possible. Sunday night, occasional. No, I don't. I already read tonight. Here's the four. All right, for Sunday night, I forgot what we're doing. All right, for Sunday night, variably clouds with snow showers. Low, I can't see. Low 28. Winds north-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. Snowfall around 1 inch. For Monday, cloudy with sunshine and sunny with a few passing clouds. High 43. Winds north-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Monday night, clear skies with a few passing clouds. Low 34. Winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's the forecast. I'll check Greenville and Pittsburgh in just a bit and see if we have any operation weathers or not. But first, let's do the forecast for Meadville today. They're saying today, cloudy, some light rain will fall throughout the day. High 48, winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%. Tonight, rain showers early with mixing with and changing over to snow overnight. Low 31, winds north-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chances precipitation 90%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. For Sunday, periods of snow. Steady, temps nearly steady into the low to the mid-30s. Winds west-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow 90%. Listen to this. 5 to 8 inches of snow expecting in Meadville. Wow. That's too much. What's that? That was too much. It is too much, yeah. So, for Sunday night, cloudy with snow showers mainly during the evening. Low 28. Winds northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow 60%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. For Monday, sunny with a few passing clouds. High 43. Winds west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Before we read the Erie weathers, let's check Greenville or Pittsburgh, see if there's any operation weathers or not. Let's take a look. Yes, there is an operation. We also got an operation weather too. We also got a winter weather advisories in effect for northwest, southwest, and western Pennsylvania counties. It's all of Pennsylvania counties it is until 2 o'clock Monday morning. They're saying what? Snow expecting. Total snow accumulations between 2 to 3 inches with locally higher amounts. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour with brief periods of snow squall conditions would be possible during the day Sunday. Greatly reduced visibilities. Impacts, slippery road conditions, precautionary preparedness actions. Please report the snow or ice accumulations calling 412-262-1988. Again, this is a winter weather advisories in effect for all of Pennsylvania counties until 2 o'clock, Sunday morning, all on this Friday, or make it Saturday, March 9th, 2024, from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Here's the forecast for Greenville today. They're saying cloudy with a few showers, high 52, winds west at 5 to 10 miles per hour, chance of rain 30%. Tonight, rain showers in the evening to changing to mixed of rain and snow overnight. Low 31, winds west-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Sunday, cloudy with snow. Temperatures nearly steady into the mid-30s. High 35. Winds west-northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 80%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Higher wind gusts possible. Sunday night, snow showers before midnight, becoming partly cloudy later. Low 28, winds northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. For Monday, abundant sunshine, high 47, winds west-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Monday night, mainly clear, low 37, winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's the forecast for Erie. Again, they're under a winter storm warning still. I don't know if Erie's under a winter weather advisory too or not. Let's take a look. Yeah, we do have another Operation Weather. Again, we're getting a lot of them today. We'll give it a minute. We also got a winter weather advisories in effect for northern Erie counties until 4 o'clock Monday morning. They're saying what? Snow expecting. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 6 inches with winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Travel could be very difficult. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Wind chills will fall into the teens all day tomorrow. We mentioned this on the winter storm warning. On that, we did a moment ago. Slow down and use caution while traveling. Again, this is a winter weather advisory in effect for northern Erie counties until, is it till 3 o'clock? No, till 4 o'clock Monday morning. Let's start from 3 o'clock, okay. Until 4 o'clock Monday morning, all on this Saturday, March 9th, 2024, from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Here's the forecast for them today. They're saying overcast with rain showers at times, high 47, southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, chance of snow 40%. Tonight, come on, I want tonight, thank you. Tonight, rain showers 8 in the evening to changing to mixed of rain and snow overnight. Low 33, west winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour, increasing to 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. For Sunday, windy. Snow in the morning will give away snow showers during the afternoon. High 36. Winds west-northwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Sunday night, mostly cloudy and windy. Scattered snow showers early. Low 33. Winds west-northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 30%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Monday, intervals in clouds and sunshine. High 41. West winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Monday night, partly cloudy skies, low 38. Southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Well, let's go Pittsburgh first. Pittsburgh first. Thank you. I want the Pittsburgh first, and then we're gonna be getting off. No, and then Northeast, and then that's it. I'm sorry. No operation weather for Pittsburgh. Okay, perfect. All right. Here's the forecast. Let's get the forecast for them today, just for heck of it. Today they're saying rain likely, high 53, winds southwest. No, southwest winds. It is at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Rainfall of near half an inch. Tonight, cloudy skies early with a few showers developing late. Low 33. Winds west-southwest or northwest it is at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. For Sunday, variably clouds with snow showers. High 37. Temperatures near steady into the mid-30s. West winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 40%. Higher wind gusts possible. Sunday night, cloudy skies. Low 29. Winds north-northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. And Monday, some clouds in the morning will give away mainly sunny skies for the afternoon. High 50. Winds west-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Monday night, a mostly clear sky. Low 39. Winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And finally, now we can do the forecast for Northeast. Here's the forecast for them today. Cloudy with occasional rain showers. High 50. Winds southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, rain showers early with precipitation changes to a mixture of rain and snow overnight. Low 32. Winds west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 80%. For Sunday, snow along with gusty winds at times. High 35. Temperatures near steady into the mid-30s. Winds north-northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. chance of snow 70%, snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Sunday night, windy with on and off snow showers early. Low 31. Winds west northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Monday, partly cloudy skies, high 41. West winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Monday night, and finally Monday night, partly cloudy skies, low 37, southwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour, and that's it. It's supposed to call for, like, as far as Erie and Crawford counties is concerned, it's supposed to get up to 6 inches, 6 to 10 inches of snow expecting, and then some places around the Greenville area or whatever, or the Mercer County areas, they're going to get 2 to 3 inches of snow expecting is what they're calling for right now. So it's supposed to have showers to start, and then it's supposed to mix in with rain and snow overnight and changing over to all snow coming up, heading into tomorrow, and then it's supposed to end the snow here by tomorrow night. So. Alright, we've been around for 22 minutes. This is the only video we're doing right now. So this is probably going to be it for today and for this week for Jeffrey's regular channel page. We got a winter storm warning. What's that? Who's calling for winter weather advisories? Just for northern Erie and all of Pennsylvania counties over there, except for the 2. Okay. I just want to make sure. So. Alright, we've been around we're going on for 23 minutes. This is the only video we're doing right now. So this is probably going to be it for today and for this week. For Jeffrey's regular channel page. Again, we got a winter storm warnings in effect for Erie, for southern Erie and Crawford counties until 4 o'clock Monday morning. We got a winter weather advisories in effect for all of Pennsylvania counties until 2 o'clock Sunday morning. And we also got a winter, also we got the same for Erie counties until 4 o'clock Monday morning. It's supposed to call for 2 to 3 inches of snow coming in around the Greenville and rest of the Pennsylvania areas. And then for Erie and Crawford, it's supposed to call for like at least 6 to 10, 12 inches of snow is what they're calling for coming up heading into tomorrow. Again, it's supposed to have rain to start with. Then it's supposed to call for a mix with rain and snow. And it's supposed to call for changing to all snow by tomorrow right now. So we're going to get off for the day. And thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Let's get a quick shout outs to Jeremy Haig from Tractor Head 04. Good. Also, thanks for stopping by Jeffrey the Train Expert's live train list video yesterday. So, and also a shout out to Ollie Mainstein. He'll be on tonight for the premiere. It's going to be at 8:30 tonight. I'll talk about that in a few minutes. And finally, let's get a shout out to Paul the rail fender. Hopefully you'll feel better soon. But we're still going to keep updated to you. So we know we get better enough so we can do some calls and all that stuff coming up. So we're going to remind everyone one more time before we end the video. Remember, subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, Jeffrey's regular channel page and Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. So make sure, don't forget, we got a premiere at 7:30 tonight. It's an Operation Weather of a winter storm watch. Was supposed to be in effect for Erie and Crawford counties until 8 o'clock Monday morning, and then they just changed it to a bunch of Operation Weathers today. So we're gonna get off here and also, thanks for joining us here on Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. We're going to be getting off for the day. Everybody else, have a good day, and we'll be back on next week on the Train Expert channel for more live videos. Or unless if there's unless they decided to cancel any of the Operation Weathers, we'll let you know. Talk to you later. Who's getting what, by the way? Southern Erie and Crawford's under a winter storm warning, and then Northern Erie's under a winter weather advisory, and also same for all of Pennsylvania counties as well. I see. And who's getting 2 to 3 inches of what? Greenville, we're the western Southwest Pennsylvania are getting 6 to 12 inch, are getting 2 to 3 inches of snow, and then and down northern Erie's supposed to call for 4 to 6 inches, and then for this winter storm warning, they're calling for 6 to 10 inches. I was right about that. And also, they just said the wind's supposed to gust at 10 to 10. The wind gust will be at 40 miles per hour. And wind chills, as I said, are going to be into the teens all day tomorrow. Okay. So, I see. Alright, we're going to get off for the day, and thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Again, let's get a quick shout out to Jeremy Haig from Tractor Head 04. Thanks for stopping by my live stream for Jeffrey the Train Expert yesterday. Also, a shout out to Ollie Mainstein. I'm glad he stopped by my live on Thursday. And also, we need to get a shout out to Paul Ebersole, the rail fender. We need to get you better really soon, so we can talk to you a lot, though. So I'm going to end the video here, and we'll be back on. Talk to you later.